Spiffy Complete is a disinfectant spray suitable for both hard and soft vehicle surfaces. It's EPA-approved to eliminate bacteria, fungi, and viruses, including COVID-19, and provides 7-day antimicrobial protection. To achieve 99.999% effectiveness, surfaces must remain wet for 10 minutes. Let's get started. Open the door and focus on the inside of the door panel. Pull the seatbelt out, making sure to get the webbing, buckle, and seatbelt receptacle before doing the seat itself. Next, carefully spray the headliner. This is a fine piece of fabric that's held together with adhesive. If the headliner gets too saturated, the adhesive can lose effectiveness and cause sagging. Next, move on to the dashboard. Spray the vents, steering wheel, cup holders, and center console. If your car has an LCD navigation screen or other sensitive electronics, don't spray the product directly onto them. Instead, spray into a microfiber towel and delicately treat the electronics. Continue going over high-touch areas in the interior, leaving nothing untreated. Don't forget about door locks, window controls, turn signal, and wiper controls. Wipe up any excess liquid with your microfiber towel and allow the surfaces to air dry. After you're finished with the interior, move on to the high-touch areas outside the car. These include door handles, door pillars, the window near the door pillar, any areas you touch when opening and closing the door, the trunk, focusing on the door and release, gas door and gas cap, the hood itself near the hood latch, and last but not least, you want to treat the keys. Just like on the interior, wipe up any excess liquid with your microfiber towel and allow the surfaces to air dry. With all the interior and exterior high-touch spots treated, you can be confident in your complete disinfection.